The G10 driver, the thing that's special to me and then in the design versus a lot of the competition that's out there is we've done a real good job of balancing all the design trade-offs that we make in the product. From getting the crown, the face, and the sole and the structure design all to work together, combining with increasing the moment of inertia and considerations on center of gravity position and getting the ball to launch high with low spin. Really making incremental improvements in all the different areas that we tried to do in a design rather than just focusing on one area and improving one attribute. We've been able to improve every attribute of the product. All those incremental improvements add up to a very significant improvement in performance for players of all abilities, both at the PGA Tour professional level all the way down to your beginning to average golfers that want to play with the product. The G10 driver is made with a cast body, 6'4" titanium casting. There's variable geometry throughout the entire casting. There's a lot of technology just in the design of the casting. We have thin crown areas up on the crown that help us remove weight from the crown. We have strategic weighting inside of the bottom of the club head where it helps us position the center of gravity lower and further back in the club head. The face of the club is a sheet material of 6'4" titanium that's machined to a variable face geometry that helps us to get the most consistent face that we can get so we can maximize ball speed in the center and missed hits. And the whole design is built so that the face and crown and sole geometry all work together so that you get the maximum ball speed across a larger area of the face. The materials that we use in design have remained relatively the same. We're using 6'4" titanium, but the real design improvements that we've made over the last few years has come in the technologies that we use to do the designs. We really understand the relationships that go into controlling performance variables much better, and through virtual technology like finite element analysis and the CAD tools that we have, we can better understand all the interdependent relationships that go on in the design so that we can analyze all those trade-offs and design a product that's going to go at the bottom line longer and straighter for consumers.